Hello, amazing people out there. As you've seen in the thumbnail, I'm going to reveal the exact 7-step process to reach 12 lakh rupees per year as a freelancer. And if you're new to my channel, let me introduce myself. Hey, I am Roohi Fida. I'm a 6-figure freelancer. From past 2 years, I was able to build my freelancing business from scratch. And now I have started my very own mentorship program where I teach aspiring entrepreneurs like you to start your freelancing business even if you have zero knowledge about tech and marketing. So let's not wait more, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any update whenever I upload a new video. So let's not wait more, let's get started. 12 lakh rupees per year as a freelancer. Here are the 7 simple step process. Number 1 is pick your favorite niche. As you know, I work with high ticket consultants and help them generate leads and appointments through sales funnel and online advertising. Step number 2 is daily content creation. Always post content in the form of images, but I refer videos because it builds trust very faster. Step number 3 is build relationships via cold emails, DMs, and sending through connections and building a network. Step number 4, bring your prospect to a discovery session and solve the real problems and handle their objections. Never reveal your price before the sales call. After the sales call, send the proposal and convert them into your client. Step number 5 is do your job perfectly and don't forget to take the testimonial because testimonials are the real currency for a freelancer. Step number 6 is ask referrals from your current clients and offer them 10% discount if they refer to their friends and family. Step number 7 is increase your price every 3 clients. This is how you scale in your freelancing business and make it a sustainable business for a long term. Yes, and that's how if you work with 3 clients and you charge 35,000 to every client, and then you work with 3 clients every month, you generate 1,05,000 rupees, and into 12 months it's equal to 12 lakh 60,000 per year. That's how you generate 12 lakh rupees per year. And yes, that's how you make 12 lakh rupees per year as a freelancer. If you think it's impossible and if you think it can be done, but you don't know the exact strategies to start your freelancing journey, so it's not tough. Let me introduce you to DigitalClink Elite program, and if you want to speed up the process and if you want to reach this income goal, you can definitely check out the description. I have given my link. You can watch my free webinar and book a one-on-one session with me, which is absolutely free for a limited time offer, and let's see we can get onto a call, and if we think we are a good fit together, then you can enroll into my program and then I will help you reach your goal way faster. Let's connect then. Bye bye. Till then, take care.